Hello guys, welcome to you all on my channel. Today I am presenting a video on what is the darkest and deepest secret of your partner. So this video is going to be in English language, and this video is especially for those who love English language and those who are expecting me to make videos in English. So those who are having problem in understanding English and those who want me to create videos in Hindi is Hindi only. So I'll create a separate videos for those people. So this video is totally dedicated to those who are my English viewers and who are in foreign countries. So let's get started, guys. There are six piles lying in front of you, and you need to pick one pile out of these six. And if you want to choose more than one pile, you can go and choose more than one pile as well. And if you want to see the whole video, it's your choice. It's completely your choice. So first stone is rose quartz. This is pink colored stone, and this is rose quartz. So I guess the you are seeing is as white stone, but this is pink in color. So this is rose quartz. This is first pile. This is clear quartz. This is second pile. This is amethyst. Third pile, obsidian. This is brown stone, and this is obsidian. This is fourth pile. This is green stone. I don't remember the stone name. This is sixth pile, orange stone, lapis lazuli. So you need to pick one pile, or you can also pick more than one pile. Uh, Choose intuitively. I'm giving you few seconds, and I am hoping that you choose wisely. I hope you have chosen your pile. So let's get started. The time is 2:22. Okay. So first pile, those who have chosen rose quartz, I want to see this person's energy. See, these videos are not gender specific. So if you are a male or a female watching my video, take what resonates with you, and these videos are not gender specific. Neither I am in favor of any caste, culture or creed or sex. Everybody is welcomed on my channel. So guys, what I'm seeing is that he or she with whom you are dealing with, either he or she or any sex you're dealing with, that person is really passionate about you. This is the darkest and deepest secret. If this person has never told you that he or she is in love with you or feeling passionate about you, then I'm telling you that this person is extremely passionate about you. He or she wants actual relationship or sexual intimacy with you, and not only sexual intimacy or sexual relationship with you, that person also wants commitment with you. Maybe you'll get a proposal or any sort of commitment from this person in near future. That person can also be younger to you. He or she is not if he or she is not younger to you, I'm seeing that this person is not mature as you are. You are more mature, more wise, and more understanding in this relationship. You are way more serious than this person. This person is not that serious. This person is not that mature, and this person is taking this relationship very lightly. Maybe in the past, this person has taken this relationship in a very casual manner, and he has taken you for granted. But now this person is feeling passionate about you. This person wants commitment and some sort of stability with you in this relationship. Maybe it is a possibility that this person belongs to a place where there are lots of mountains and hilly areas or desert areas. This person takes you as as his or her counterpart, and this person also daydream about you. It is also a possibility that this person has put you on pedestal, and he or she is feeling very passionate about you, and he or she sees you that um, you are a very authoritative person, very wise person, very nice person. It is a possibility that you are on high post, and you are having a very good hold in your company or whatever organization you are working with. It is also a possibility that you are actually studying for going to a higher level of position. If you are not working, if you are a student, that person that person is seeing that you are studying or you are building up to be on a high post or to be on a high level in your life. That person wants to take action towards you. He or she is in a mood to take action towards you. If that person never told you that he or she is in love with you or feeling passionate about you, or maybe he's having a hard time expressing his feeling, but now he's ready, and he or she is ready. He or she wants to take action towards you. He or she daydream about you. He or she thinks that you are his or her counterpart. That person also wants commitment and wants to, if that person don't want to marry you, definitely that person wants to take this relationship to our next level. And this is the deepest darkest secret of your partner. So if this situation resonates with you, please let me know in the comment section. And please like my channel, please subscribe my channel, and please share my channel, so that I'll get more subscribers, and it's a fun making videos for you people then. So let's move to a next file. I'm starting this next file on 6:55. So those who have chosen this rose quartz on the second pile, let's get started and let's see what is the deepest darkest secret of your partner, what he or she is hiding from you. See, this person is completely focused on his or her work right now, and he or she is not expressing or not telling you about that he or she is working behind the back. See, this person is not very expressive, as I'm seeing. It is a possibility that you are dealing with a Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Cancer, or Earth sign, Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn, or fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, especially Aries. Or it is also a possibility that you are dealing with Libra, Gemini, Aquarius, especially Libra. What I'm seeing is that this person is very secretive in nature. This person having a hard time in expressing his or her feelings. This person having lots of secrets, and this person is also hiding from you that this person really loves you, and he or she is right now focused on his work. Maybe that person is ignoring you. Maybe you are in a contact situation with that person. That is why you are here on my channel and watching my videos, and that is why you want to know about that person's deepest secret and desires, which he or she is hiding from you. And according to me, that this person is hiding is that he or she is busy working on his or her career right now. That person is more focused on his work and establishing his or her career, and that is why he or she is hiding and not expressing him or herself to you. This person wants to be on high post. This person wants to be on authoritative post, and it is a possibility that he or she can be your boss, or he or she can be on a very high post. That is why he or she is working very hard. Let me clarify this moon card. It is a possibility that you are not having any sort of clarity what is going on behind the scenes. It is also a possibility that you are thinking that this person is ignoring you, this person is no more in love with you, and this person is doing any sort of disloyalty towards you. Maybe he is having any sort of sexual relationship or any sort of intimacy with any other person. Maybe he is dating around. These are your feelings. You are thinking like this, that this person is hiding something from you. Maybe he's having a secret relationship with somebody else, but this is not the truth, guys. This person is not having any sort of relationship with anybody. No, neither he is cheating on you. It's just that this person is totally focused on his or her career right now. He's working behind the scenes. He wants to be on high post. He wants to be on authoritative position, and he wants to be a provider. he or she wants to provide you everything in his life. It is a possibility that you cut off that person because he or she is very secretive, not hiding lots of things from you, and you are not having any sort of clarity in this relationship, that what is going on in his life or her life right now. That is why you had a breakup, or it is a possibility that you guys are in no contact situation, or you cut off that person, you ghosted that person, you blocked that person. But this is the reality, that this person is not having any sort of and sexual intimacy or secret relationship behind your back. Is thus that this person needs time, this person is hard, focused on his work, this person is working very hard. It is a possibility that this person is workaholic, and this person is working and studying as well, or doing a double shift and doing double jobs, because maybe it is also a possibility that this person is going through a financial crisis, or he or she is having a problem in he or she is dealing with family issues. His or her family is not having that much money, and his or her family is going through financial crisis. There is also a possibility in this situation, in this relationship, and with this pile. Or if this is not the case, definitely this person is working very hard for being on a good post, and he or she wants stability in this in his or her life, so that he or she can be a provider. But soon wheel of fortune is turning in your favor. He or she will share his or her darkest secrets with you, deepest darkest secrets with you. He or she will soon reveal that he or she is working behind the backs, and that is why he is busy and not giving you much time, and hiding his or her feelings from you, or not telling or opening his heart in front of you. Or it is also a possibility that this person will definitely take action towards you very soon. Maybe this person will meet you, text you, message you, call you, or will meet you in person, or will express his feelings towards you. So guys, those who have chosen pile 2, I am done with your reading. And if you like my reading, please subscribe my channel, share my channel, comment on my channel. And if you share more, then I'll get more subscribers, and this will be good for me and for you as well. I'll create more of these videos for you guys. Thank you so much. Good night. So let's move to next file. This is file 3. So what are those who have chosen this file, this amethyst? Let's get started, guys. Okay, devil energy. First card is devil. Let me clarify this card first. One more card. It is a possibility that this person is having this person is in third party situation, and that is why this person is not accepting your relationship. Maybe it is a possibility that you propose that person a lot of time, you offered that person your cup of love several times, but that person rejected your cup of love, not accepting your cup of love. This person is an insane, he's an idiot, because he's not seeing your quality, your pure heart, your inner beauty. And if this person is already in relationship with someone, or if this person is cheating on you, or talking to other girls behind your back, or talking to several men behind your back, then this person is totally insane, because he or she is not seeing your inner beauty, your beautiful heart. He or she is running after materialistic things. Definitely this person is cheating on you. He's having he's in different relationship with he's having several relationship. Either he's talking to multiple partners, or that person is in relationship with someone else right now. He's dating someone else behind your back. So guys, those who are and you are patiently waiting for this relationship, you are waiting for this person's approval, you want union with this in this relationship. Maybe it is a possibility that you guys were friends in the past, then suddenly you guys get feelings for each other. It is also a possibility that uh, well, if this is not third party situationship, and if you are sure that this person is not in third party situationship, then it is a possibility that this person is really angry from you, this person is heartbroken because this person has offered you a lot of time, offered you a lot of time, his or her cup of love, and he or she has proposed you several times, but you didn't respond to his feelings, you didn't respond to his love, you didn't accept his or her cup of love, and that is why this person is really angry, he's heartbroken, and he's waiting patiently for your approval. See, whatever the situation, whatever resonate with you, please take whatever is your situation, and what suits your situation. I'm just reading cards, I don't know, because several people are watching my videos, and I don't know what is going on in your life. I'm just reading cards. This is generalized reading, and I'm creating videos for lots of people. So take what it resonates with you. And this person is patiently waiting for your approval, but you never show any kind of affection towards that person. That is why it is a possibility that this person is now in a third party situation, or is also a possibility that this person is patiently waiting to, and this person wants to reunite with you, or this person wants to give you his or her cup of love. But it is also a possibility that this person is uh, younger than you, or there is a third possibility that this person didn't respond to you in the past, but now this person is realizing that you are his true soulmate, you are twin flame, you are his or her twin flame, and that is why this person is now making plans for reuniting with you. This person now wants to offer his or her cup of love to you. This person now wants to communicate with you. So there are three scenarios. Let me explain it again. First scenario is that you propose that person, you offer that person your cup of love, you showed affection towards that person, but this person didn't respond to you because he's in third party situation. Second situation is that this person did the same thing with you. This person offered his or her cup of love to you. This person makes several attempts towards you, but you didn't respond, and this person is waiting for your approval now, and this person is tired of waiting for you. Now he wants union with you, wants to offer cup of love to you, and wants to communicate. Or there is another possibility that you offered his or you offered your cup of love to that person, and you tired of waiting for that person. Now this person is realizing that you are the actual soulmate, you are his or her twin flame, and he or she wants to unite you with you, and he or she wants to give his cup of love to you, and wants to communicate with you. So guys, take whatever resonate with your situation, and definitely this person is planning a lot, thinking a lot, or you are planning a lot, thinking a lot, or you are taking this person as your world. You are patiently waiting for that person's approval, and now this is the time that this person is also realizing that let's take this relationship to our next level. This person also wants celebration, wants reunion in this relationship. This person is now accepting wants to accept your cup of love now, because here you are not here this person is fold handed and not accepting your cup of love, and he's not seeing what is being offered to him, but here he's holding this cup. So it is a possibility that now this person will hold your cup of love. Now he or she will accept your cup of love. Now he or she wants reunion with you. Now he or she wants new beginning and new beginning and new start in this relationship, wants to communicate with you. So guys, good night, take care, and see you in next file on in next video. And if this situation resonate with you, so please let me know and comment in the comment section, like my videos, share my videos, subscribe my channel, share my channel with all your friends, family, and if you like my videos, please let me know. So thank you so much. Good night guys. Let's move to our next file. I'm starting this reading at 9:46. Those who have chosen this obsidian, in the past you guys had tower movement, you guys broke up with each other. You guys broke up with each other, you had clashes, you guys had arguments, and because you want commitment in this relationship, you are taking this person as your soulmate, twin flame. You are taking this person as your wish fulfillment. You are extremely in love with that person, but this person didn't respond to you. That is why you had arguments, you had breakup, and these things suddenly happened in this your relationship. You were not expecting this to be happen, but suddenly things go haywire, and suddenly you had a breakup with that person, and since then you guys were on crossroad, or it is also a possibility that you guys were on crossroad. You want something else in this relation out of this relationship, and this though that person wants something else out of this relationship. Maybe he wants career, maybe he wants fun, he wants career, he don't want to be serious in this relationship, but you want serious commitment, you want family, you want kids, and that is why you guys had clashes, and this results into breakup in this relationship. So this can also be a possibility, but as this person is your soulmate, your twin flame, so this person will come back into your life again. And this person, I guess this person never told you that he or she take you as his or her wish fulfillment. That person also loves you, and he or she is extremely in love with you. I guess you both of you love each other a lot, but this person wants to be in a light-hearted situationship. That person don't want to get serious. See, if a person don't want to be serious in a relationship, that doesn't mean that person is a bad person. It's just that that person feel insecure with the word called commitment, because some person had notion that if we guys get committed to each other, that person will get serious, more serious into that relationship, more focus into that relationship. And if you guys break up, and if parents will not agree for this relationship, or if you guys separated for any sort of misunderstanding or mishappening or third party situation or whatever, you and that person will definitely get hurted. That is why that person don't want to tag this relationship, or don't want to be serious or committed to in this relationship. So that is the possibility which I'm seeing. But this person is what this person is deepest secret or deepest desire is that this person is taking you as his soulmate or twin flame. That this person is definitely know about that thing, but he didn't express this to you, that he or she takes you as his soulmate or twin flame. You are this person's wish fulfillment, and this person really loves you the way you are in love with that person. So this is the deepest secret and deepest desire of that person. I guess this person never told you about his or her feelings, and soon if this person, if this situation resonate with you, if this person is really in love with you, definitely he or she will express it soon to you. And it is a possibility that this nine of cups will change into 10 of cups, and you guys end up marrying together, because definitely you guys having past life relationship. Or it is also a possibility that you guys having childhood friendship, and you grew up, and then you fall in for each other. It is also a possibility that you might have dreams about that person, or you see repetitive numbers dreams about that person, or you guys are in telepathy connection with each other. So guys, see, if you are losing hope in this relationship, if you don't know about what is going on in this person's mind, and if you guys are in no communication, this person is not contacting you, not expressing his feelings to you, not sharing his deepest darkest secrets with you, I'm telling you that this person is definitely in love with you. He or she takes you as his or her soulmate. You are his wish fulfillment. He is extremely in love with you, and he sees you as his queen of cups. Queen of cups is a very nurturing, very loving, very caring, very grounded person. So if this is the situation, guys, please don't worry, and please be patient, and let this person take his or her time. This person will definitely take a move towards you. He or she will come towards you, because this person is extremely in love with you. But let me warn you about something. This is the energy of this time. If I'm reading these cards, this is the current energy of your partner. Energy keeps on changing according to situation, according to circumstances. So please keep a check on my videos. We'll see your person's energy in my next video. So stay tuned and keep watching my videos. So guys, if you like my reading, and if you appreciate my work, please let me know in the comment section, and please like my channel, comment on my channel, comment on my videos, and share my channel, subscribe my channel. Thank you so much, and let's move to a next file. And I'm starting this recording to 25 26 26:05. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, it is a possibility that you are dealing with a married man. Definitely, it is a possibility that you are dealing with a married man who's a divorced. The person who's already married, but he had a divorce with his or her spouse, and he didn't tell you about this thing, or he or she is going through a divorce, and he is in so much pain right now. But that person is manifesting you in his or her life. Or it is also a possibility that you are married with someone, and you guys are had a breakup or a divorce, right, with that person, or your divorce is going on in the court of law, but that person still wants you, still loves you. He or she is manifesting you back. He or she is in hermit mode. He or she realizing his or her mistakes right now, as this person is definitely obsessively attached to you. This person is not this person is not releasing what is going on in what is going on between you and that person, or what has been done and what has been gone in the past between you and that person. Definitely he or she is the provider in this relationship, or this person wants to be a provider. He or she wants to create family with you again. If you are already married with that person and you guys are going through a breakup or a divorce, this person is definitely wants to manifest you back in his life or her life, and he or she is realizing his mistake, because he or she is obsessively attached with you. He is obsessively thinking about you, and he or she is not releasing whatever is done in the past. And because he or she wants to be a provider, he or she wants to be your creator, your caretaker, your provider. He or she wants to provide you everything, and he or she is now realizing his mistake. If this is the situation, please forgive that person and accept that person back in your life. Though it's your choice, it's your life, and you know better what is going on in your relationship rather than me. I'm just reading your cards. I don't know what is going on in your life, but I'm just suggesting you, if that person is realizing his or her mistake, and if that person is ready to accept you back, or ready to correct whatever is done in the past in this situation, in this relationship, please give that person another chance. And another scenario which I'm seeing is that you are dealing with a married man, and he's hiding that he's a divorced person, and he also didn't express you that he's already married and he's a divorced person, and you are manifesting that person in your life, or that person is manifesting you in his or her life. But that person is really feeling very guilty and thinking a lot that how to express this to you, and how to tell you about these things, whatever is done in the past. Or it is also a possibility that this person's deepest secret or deepest desire is that um, this person is having a fear of being hurt in relationships, because this person is already divorced. This person is maybe wants to marry someone, If this is not a situation of divorce, this person, it is also a possibility that this person was in committed relationship with someone. That person wants to marry someone in the past, but he or she had a breakup, very bad breakup, and the memories are still stored or being locked in his or her heart, and he or she is very he or she is in depression or any sort of trauma, and he or she is not able to come out of this situation, uh, but he or she wants to be with you because he or she is manifesting you in his or her life, but that person thinking a lot because he don't want to get hurt, he or she don't want to get hurt again. So this person is thinking a lot whether to give you a chance or not, and whether to be with you or not, because definitely that person wants to marry you, that person wants to create a family with you, he or she wants to be a provider, and he or she is definitely obsessively attached with you. He don't want to leave you, he don't let you go, he or she don't let you go, but on the other hand, he or she is thinking whether you will stay loyal to that person or not. He or she is having a fear that whether you'll stay with that person for a long time or not, or you will leave that person like his or her last relationship. So that is the deepest darkest secret of that person which I'm seeing. So guys, this is my reading and my analysis. So let's move to our next pile, and those who like my reading and this situationship resonate with you, please let me know and in the comment section, and please like my channel, subscribe my channel, and share my channel. Your support is required. 3208. So last pile, let's see what is going on in this relationship. So those who are choosing this pile, this last pile, this stone, let's see what is going on in your relationship. This person is guarded up, this person is not talking to you, guys have no communication, and it is a possibility that this person definitely suddenly ghosts you, blocked you, this person is in no contact with you, this person is in and out in your life, this person it is also a possibility that this person is guarded, not talking to you, not letting you in, you trying to contact with that person, you want to talk to that person, you want him to open his or her heart, but this person is surrounded by lots of responsibility. It is also a possibility that this person is having multiple options. If not, this is not the situation, definitely this person is surrounded by lots of responsibilities, maybe family responsibility, maybe career responsibility, maybe job responsibility, and that is why this person is very guarded, because you want commitment from this relationship, you want this person to take this relationship on to a next level, but this person is not ready because he's been going through a lot, maybe he's having multiple problems in his life which he or she is hiding, that is his or her deepest darkest secret which he or she is hiding. This person is in and out in your life. This person can be from hilly areas, mountain areas, desert areas. It is also a possibility that this person can be a soldier, because see, I'm seeing three cards of uniform. It is also a possibility that this person is from such a background where people are people work in uniform, or this person is any sort of profession where he work for country, or he serves country, or he's involved with justice, or he is a justice loving person, or he can be a soldier, he can be in army military, or he can be in air force, or he can be a doctor, something like that. Definitely this person is juggling a lot in this relationship. His heart is saying that to take this relationship to a next level, but he's controlling himself, or he's stopping himself from coming towards you, because he's having a fear. He's having some sort of fear, or he's been going through a lot, he's having lots of responsibilities, so he's controlling to himself or herself uh, from coming towards you. It is also a possibility that you had a breakup with that person suddenly, or he or she broke up with you without any reason. because he or she is having lots of responsibility, and you you ask him or her lots of time about what is the reason why you broke up and why you're not talking to me, and blah blah blah. But that person is not ready to express what is the deepest darkest secret he's hiding from you. But I am telling you that this person is got it because he's having a lots of responsibilities, he's having lots of tensions, maybe he's going through any sort of issues, family issues. uh, but definitely if there is a breakup between you and this person in this situationship, in this situation, there is a new beginning coming in this relationship. That person is slowly but and steadily moving towards you in this relationship. Definitely things will be better in this relationship very soon. This person will let please give that person some time. This person will definitely come out of this situation and will take this relationship to a next level, but not anytime soon. So guys, if you like my reading, please subscribe my channel, and I will keep creating such kind of videos for you. I need your support. This is your channel. This is not my channel. This is your channel. I need your support. Please like my channel, subscribe my channel, comment my channel, comment under my videos, like my videos. Thank you so much. Good night. Take care, and please take good care for your senses, because this is COVID-19, which is eating our lives and our families. Thank you so much. Bye. Take care.